guys, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I co-own and operate Hooked and Hemmed, where I sell cute crochet plushies and patterns. Anyway, today I'm going to be packing a few orders from Etsy, so I thought I would take you guys along with me as I pack these up and get them ready to ship out. So let's get started. So the first order I have going out today is going to Sarah. She's actually also a fellow YouTuber. She runs, my printer's making weird noises. She runs the channel So Craftastic, and she also has a vlog channel called Sarah Lynn Studios where she's been documenting her small business journey. So if you guys want to check her out, you can go ahead and do that. She sells like a lot of cute little pins and notepads and bookmarks and that kind of stuff with her digital art. So it's super cute. You should go check that out. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what she ordered. So the first thing she ordered was one of these little mini possums. So cute little possum right there. She also ordered a mini triceratops in the color teal. So we got him right here. Then she ordered a mushroom pop keychain in red, so got one made right there. Then the last thing she ordered was a medium white Christmas bauble tree, and that's what that looks like. These are so cute. I love these for like decorating for Christmas. It has a little bit of gold glitter. I don't know, you can't really tell, but the yarn is like glittery, so it's cute. But yeah, those are the 4 things she ordered, so I'm going to go ahead and get those packed up really quick. I was hoping to use one of my boxes, but they're not big enough, so I'm just going to use a poly mailer. I'm going to bubble wrap this tree just so it doesn't get bent because there's cardboard like in the bottom, but I think it should be okay. The rest of these I'm just going to tissue paper because they're not like, they don't have any like fragile parts. Alright, so everything's packed up in there. I'm going to pop in one of my thank you cards and a business card as well. And then I'm also going to put the packing slip in there also. And then that should be ready to go. The next order I have to pack is for this Beetlejuice plushie. He's so cute. He's actually going all the way to Sweden, which is insane. So we're going to pack him up real good so that he makes it overseas. So I have him in one of these bubble mailers. I bubble wrapped him and I put him in one of the poly mailers, but I'm also going to just go ahead for extra security, put him in one of these bubble mailers just because he has a long way to go. So I just want it to be waterproof and extra secure and not get damaged, because we all know how customs treats things. And now I'm just going to add in the packing slip as well as my business card and a thank you card. I really need like a shipping station because I do not have enough room on my desk to be doing this. I don't know what this is. Okay. I'm gonna just measure this. Now I just gotta print out the shipping labels and those will be ready to go. Hey guys, so I have 2 more Etsy orders to package up today. I had to get them made, but they're finished now so we can pack them up. So the first order is for Brandon, and it was a berry colored spider amigurumi, so we have him ready to go. And then the next order was for Tell, and it was one of the green Trunk the Turtles. If you don't know, this is a pattern by Crochet on Instagram. It's a free pattern, and it's a little booty turtle, so you can take off his shell, and he's a little peachy. But yeah, so they ordered one of those, so I got that made. So I'm just going to go ahead and package these up, and then we can make a trip to the post office because I have like the 2 other packages still sitting waiting to be mailed. But yeah, we're going to go package these guys up and get them shipped. Alright you guys, those 2 orders are all ready to go. I'm gonna ship those off. I don't have any more orders at the moment. Hey guys, it's late, and by late I mean it's 8 o'clock, but we have a few more orders to pack up this week, so I'm gonna be doing that. I do actually have to make some because I don't have them on hand, but one of the orders had a pink booty turtle, so I have that made already. I have to make 2 green booty turtles, and then that's it for the orders. Everything else I have for the orders is already made. So I'm going to make 2 of these green guys really fast, and then we can package those up. Okay guys, so I just finished the 2 of the green booty turtles that I had to make for this order. So those are ready to go. I'm going to get the shipping things printed out, and then we start packing these orders. I'm just going to print out my shipping list. I'm going to print out the packing slips, and then we can get these orders ready to go. I just realized I'm out of thank you cards, so we're just going to be putting business cards in there, I guess, because I gotta order some more. So, whoops. Let me grab my shipping labels. Okay. So the first order I have is going to Reagan, and she ordered 1 booty turtle in green, so we're going to wrap him up and get him ready to go. The next order is going to Charisse. She ordered 3 items. So she ordered a cat and cauldron card charm. She also ordered 2 of the booty turtles in pink and green. So let's get those all wrapped up and ready to go as well. Now the next order we have is going to Shannon, and she ordered 2 of these Highland Cow amigurumi sticks. Cute. Alright, and the last order we have is for a pair of these Skull and Coffee amigurumi sticks, and these are going to Leslie. Alright you guys, these 4 orders are finally packaged up, so all my Etsy orders are now complete for now, until people order more. But, yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and let me know if you like these packaging video type things where I package orders, and maybe I'll keep doing them. But yeah, that is all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.